Hello. Today I just wanted to take a moment to thank you all for your efforts during our response to this extraordinary pandemic situation. You should all now be aware that MARTA has established a Code Brown response to COVID-19, and we have stood up the Emergency Command Centre. A Code Brown refers to any external emergency and requires that MARTA engages with a variety of other agencies to manage our response. We're working collaboratively with state and federal governments, our partners in health, aged care and social services, as well as other stakeholders to ensure we can continue to be both a safe, efficient healthcare provider and a credible source of information. As you're all aware, many businesses that provide non-essential services are making arrangements for the majority of their staff to work from home. This is helping to flatten the curve and is an important part of the social response to COVID-19. However, healthcare is an essential service, and MARTA's role during this pandemic and in other emergencies is to provide the highest standards of care and support for the community. To do that, we will need to ensure that our staff are available to respond, that we are flexible, and that most of all, we are safe. In the coming days, weeks, and sadly months, it's likely that some MARTA people may be required to take on different roles and responsibilities. We're working to review workforce capability across all areas of the business and planning for various scenarios. We will only redeploy staff or repurpose staff within a safe scope of practice, only in line with specific regulatory criteria and only as required to ensure our priority response to this COVID-19 pandemic. Those MARTA people who have capacity to reskill, upskill and provide clinical support in priority areas will be contacted directly as required. It's inevitable that some of us will need to self-isolate and some may be quarantined. Those people need to be able to safely work from home, and we're developing processes to ensure this is possible. All of us will need to be flexible, and we must continue to work together to do what needs to be done. I'm very proud to be part of an organisation where your outstanding commitment has been obvious, and you've shown it across all areas of the MARTA throughout the state. Please continue to engage with your colleagues and the most up-to-date information which is provided through the intranet and on our corporate website. The pandemic response is likely to continue for some months and will continue to impact all MARTA people, not just as members of the community, and not only as you juggle your professional responsibilities, but as you also care for your families and those you love at this difficult time. Your continued commitment to each other in line with our MARTA values will ensure that we can sustain our service with dignity and compassion through these challenging times. Look after each other. Thank you.